Ever wondered if it's actually possible to buy a property without dropping a single dollar out of your own pocket? Sounds wild, right? But let me break it down for you, because yes, it's possible and I'll show you how. First, you've got to get creative with your financing. Think about options like seller financing, where the seller lets you pay them directly over time, often because it gives them a steady income stream. Or look into partnerships. Maybe someone else has the cash, and you bring the hustle and the deal. There's also the classic OPM, other people's money. Private lenders or hard money lenders are always looking for solid deals to fund. But here's the real secret. The deal has to be good. Lenders and partners want to see the numbers make sense and that you've done your homework. They need to see a clear path to profitability and a solid exit strategy before they'll even consider it. That's where ToInvested comes in. It's an AI-powered property analyzer that literally crunches the numbers for you. You just plug in a property address and it spits out the cash flow, ROI, and even flags potential risks like local market trends or hidden expenses, all done way faster than you could with a spreadsheet. So here's your step-by-step. Step 1. Use ToInvested to analyze properties until you find solid returns. Step 2. Approach a seller or a potential partner with your data in hand. This isn't just asking, it's presenting an undeniable business case. Show them you've got a plan and the numbers to back it up. Step 3. Negotiate zero down terms, like a seller carryback or a joint venture where your partner brings the cash for a share of the equity. And just like that, you're in the game, owning property with none of your own cash on the line. It takes hustle, creativity, and the right tools to give you that critical edge.